Did you like that, did you? Well, there's plenty more where that came from. You would not believe the shit that you have to go through to put a pair of rocker panels on a truck like this. Hint, don't buy the factory replacements because they are a bitch to get in. And yeah, it was hard. And yeah, I pissed and moaned and cussed and pushed and pulled. Even got a boo-boo along the way. But I got the job done. Or should we say, halfway done. For most of us, and you know who you are, it's easier to say it can't be done or come up with a million excuses as to why you're not prepared to do the job than to put your head down and just plow through it.